neighbor.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey. So what is your name? I live right there. What is your name?
I come from Nigeria.
Yes, I'm from Africa.
Russia.
Hey, Rochelle. My name is Faith. Eh?
Faith.
Yes, my name is Faith. And this is my baby. Hey.
That's a baby's name.
This
How
is
old
my
is the baby?
And this is my baby Esther.
She looks like 5 months old.
No, she's 9 months old now. Eh? She's 9 months old. So you're from Jamaica, eh?
Yes.
See now, my baby father.
Can't talk like a man.
My baby, you can talk like us as
Yeah,
well.
I'm a friend.
Eh. See now, let me hear you say something in our language, eh?
My name is Rochelle.
Eh. Hey, you sound good, you sound good. Anyway, see now, as I was telling you, see this baby Esther Mara. My baby father. My baby father is a Jamaican now. Eh?
Jamaican?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're in Jamaica.
You know my baby father is from that place in Jamaica that is called Clarendon. Eh.
Hi, Esther.
Eh. She always like to cry. She always like to cry. Push, baby. Anyway, see now, I'm trying to clean this place, but see, we will catch up, eh? We will catch up because see my baby father, he doesn't got time for me now. He has plenty woman. He's a womanizer, eh? He has plenty woman. He doesn't got time for me and Esther. Yeah. I'm telling you, but God will judge him. I leave him to God. God will judge him. God will judge that idiot. But see, I'm trying to clean this place, eh? And I like you as my neighbor, eh? You seem to be a fine girl, very curvy and thick, eh? See, you know, back in in my village, fine girls like you, eh? See all those big girls, eh? They're like you now. They will marry you. Eh? You need to come to Africa, eh?
I always want to go over there. I always watch a movie with me and my cousin.
Eh? We are very
I always
nice
say to go over
people.
there, but they talk a lot of things about
How would you say
was
such thing?
but turn on myself.
She's fine now. She's fine. She likes to cry. She always
So
cries.
this is uncomfortable.
No, this is the way. This is where we bring our baby, eh? She's very fine. She's very comfortable right there. She's very comfortable right there. She's okay. Esther,
You sure?
Esther, mama, she's fine now.
She
I'm
look
telling
comfortable,
you.
though.
Yes,
She
she
look
is. She's very fine. I'm
comfortable.
telling you.
Good.
She's very fine, eh? She's fine.
She look comfortable. She
Eh.
not cry.
So, how many months is you now?
5 months.
5 months, eh? Your baby mom's look real fine. Eh? Can I touch it? Eh,
You
look
already
real
touched
fine.
it.
Eh, you look real fine. Eh? So do you know you discover the gender already?
They said it's a girl.
Eh, the baby mom look like a boy. She looks like a boy.
Mhm.
But if you say it's like a girl, so
I
you have the
already have a
baby name
boy.
already.
No, I have a boy.
You have the name for the baby already.
My name fair, but her father thought about African name.
Yes, now. See,
So
you
you see, I
my-
can understand everything what me say.
I told you, my baby father is a Jamaican.
Because
now.
most people with me, even when time them are Jamaican, they're like, huh?
I understand you. I understand most of the things you say, but some of the time when I don't understand things, I read your lips, eh? I watch your mouth when you're talking. But I catch on a lot now. See, I'm going to bath Esther. And I fed him like 2 hours ago.
2 hours ago?
Yes, now it's a fine baby. He just like to cry.
Yeah,
She just like to
too
cry.
much.
She just like
9
to
months.
cry. She's 9 months old now.
She look like 5 months. You give her
She's
to
okay.
eat.
I give her a breast. I
Breast?
breastfeed her. I breastfeed her
And
now.
what else?
Breast now.
Breast?
Yes, now she's fine. She's fine now. She's fine.
So you're not gonna give me like cereal, like feeding.
Eh?
And then you baby feeding
No, now.
formula.
No, I just gave her. my
Breast
breast.
alone at 9 months old?
So why you acting like that?
No. supposed to give baby porridge, make porridge, give baby a mashed potato and sardines and stuff like that, and give her formula with it. But then call us in the wheat something like wheat cereal. They put in a formula and give them.
See now, this is my first baby. And that stupid man, he doesn't want to take care of us now. See, I have to go to church. You see that church people, those church people are very, very nice people. They help me. We come together. See, when I go to church, I get food stuff to cook. See now, I prepare rice. I prepare rice for my dinner, and I cooked the rice now. I enjoyed it. The church people, yes now. And water.
So why you meat?
There's no meat, it's just rice and water.
Rice and water?
See now, those church people, they helped me, They give me diapers, they give me formula. But I will start giving this child any formula. I give her a breast.
And a breast when they have to eat. So when you eat rice and water, when baby get out to the breast.
Hey now. See now, my breast now, but I will try to give him that formula. Okay, Esther, be quiet now. Be quiet, Mama. Be quiet. See now, I'll give him that formula. So I will take my leave. I'll finish what I was doing.
Ma'am.
Okay? It was nice meeting you. Rochelle. Fine, Rochelle. Alright. I'll see you people now. Rochelle. Pregnant woman. Rochelle. Pregnant woman. Where's that girl?
Yeah.
Rochelle.
Yeah.
Pregnant woman. What is going on?
I'm coming.
See now. I want to talk to you.
I just talk to my boyfriend.
We were talking to your boyfriend back in Jamaica.
My boyfriend's smart.
I want. So Rochelle,
Oh, go on.
I'm telling you, see, I was wondering if you could help me to cut these braids out of my head, Because this baby is star. She's killing me now. I want to take this braids out of my head. See if you can help me to take her out. Help me to take her out. Wash my mouth. She won't fall.
Poor baby.
She's fine.
What's this?
She's fine. Faith, I'm sorry. Hey, Faith.
Hey,
What's up? You're holding enough for me. Okay.
I found that. Hey,
What's up with you, Monchi?
I'm okay.
Monchi, why you like to smoke? You always smoking. It is not good now. You know, smoking is not good for your health.
The baby, is that the baby cereal now?
Yes, now. I tried her, but she don't like it.
No, I'm buy wrong. Me buy. Me know I want to make. I'm go supermarket. Me buy one. I'll show you.
See this man. My baby father, He's killing me now. I can't take this stress. I can't take this problem. But because I like him,
What am I do?
He doesn't know how we eat, He doesn't know how we eat. He doesn't know even the roof that is over my head. He doesn't know whenever the bills to pay. He don't pay bills. He don't give me money.
So what kind of arrangement to the house?
All he do is come every night. Come every night.
I miss
That's
people
what.
out in the morning like after 5 or so. Me never see him, I just see one black man.
That is him.
One tall black man.
He's a handsome man now. Very, very handsome man. See, Esther look just like it. Esther, she look just like his daddy. I can't manage him. But I'm not going to put my mind on him too much, eh? I'm not. So, anyway, what's up with you? How you taking it? How is the baby? The baby is alright. Eh?
Yeah.
You know, he's a fine girl, Rochelle. Rochelle, eh? Which is you like to see more. See, I'm going to go, but I want you to help me to take these braids out of my head, eh? They are
I can't
itching me.
help you, but I'm not right now. I'm not feel good. I'm tired. I'm ever tired.
So I should come back in the morning.
Me tell her when I can do it.
Muchi, can't you help me? I know she's pregnant, so she's tired. Can you
I
help
ever
me?
feel tired for true.
Okay. See, anyway, I'm going to take my leave. Give me yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? When you buy some rice to cook, we can't find, you realize we can't find the rice we eat at Jamaica?
Yeah. Okay, we buy rice.
You realize we can't find the rice that we eat, we usually buy a beer.
Yeah. Okay. So you have rice?
I want the rice that I get when I like it, so I give it to you.
Okay.
I'm not done. When I get up, I'm munch it.
Hey!
You know,
Hey!
you can talk like Nigerian, I see.
Hey! I thank you. I thank you, people now, eh? God will bless you. God will bless you now. God will give me right. This is all of this is mine.
Yeah.
All of it. I should give it.
A rice,
Hey, I thank you. I thank you so much now. I really do thank you. I appreciate it, eh? God will bless you people. You people are very, very nice people now, eh? God will bless you. I thank you. I thank you so much now, eh? I really appreciate it. You give me right.
That's alright.
Eh?
That's alright.
I'm going to go. I'm going to take my leave.
Take a baby.
This is my baby. Eh. Okay.
Yeah, good.
See now, Munchies.
Later, my friend.
I thank you. I thank you, people.
Later, my friend.
Okay, Rochelle,
Later.
I thank you, eh? God will bless you. God will bless you for this rice, eh? God will bless you for me now. Eh? See now, I take my
The
leave.
too high up man can stairs. You have to come.
Bye now. God will bless these people. Hey, they gave me rice, eh?
Every night, you take the papa come. And you see take time and leave early morning time. And then she come back. So you never hear her. You see the morning come back. You see her. And she go towards the gate with the baby. Say, she go buy drugs.
What kind of drugs?
The morning after.
God
No,
know.
we didn't come and go saying no money and he broke.
God know.
And right after hearing say broke, further on in the news, the man the upstairs.
Here, girl.
You
So
know,
Papa
you
show.
know, tell her when the man the
A Papa
upstairs.
show. I must
Get up
Papa
a man,
show.
you want drugs, you hungry, you don't have no money. No ambition.
Yes, sir.
Not like how he stay. Never hear me tell her his story about him and
She
him
never
and
hear
him
she
say-
attack.
And just, and he,
You know
he just
business,
walk
you know
and beg
care.
and borrow and just take to the things and walk and favor poor thing and so you don't look good. You don't look good. The man don't want to, but me have a mouth not to be
Say, man, I'm
The man live with the woman. That know. The man live with the woman and she said the man have a whole heap of baby mother. So I hear her yesterday morning.
I'm comfortable with it. So me I tell her, say, girl, I don't like your friend, you know. Every minute she come and talk about my weed, leave this, sir. I try
Yeah,
your
you
friend.
keep on coming in and I ask me
She
say
come
for
and
no
talk about
over
my
here.
weed.
She only ask me say for no over here for my plan. Like she didn't really want to come in over here.
I make she don't want to come.
But she claims that she not like you saying.
Nobody have
But
time
he
for
still
you.
a come anyways, and I like saying you're not tapping. He still a come. She a
Nobody have
she
time
asks, and then she, when you say she uno there, when me tell her say she uno there, she still a come.
So when you come
That
from-
not
when you
stop
stay
her
area,
from
nobody not come Gary, I'll get trouble. She need
So
to
it's like she
stay
just
area,
want to complain, you know
nobody
what I
meant to
mean?
her. Actually, your friend make me not want to listen. First of all. But not good. Because she area, I feel like her.
I do like your sense still, but I know just relax. I will
She
share
come
one
and talk about
place.
weed.
Let me come go. Hey.
Yeah, go in, go lie down.
I had it.
Alright,
Let's
girl.
make it up and I know how much I plan.
Alright, sweet. Alright, bye-bye. Boy,
Pregnant woman. Rochelle.
Yeah.
Pregnant woman. Are
Come.
you there?
Hey, good evening.
What's up?
See, I'm going to get my drugs, eh? But I say my car passed by, I stopped by you, eh? See how you were doing. No, you know that we are friends now. Eh?
What?
I'm just saying,
They want the drugs?
yes, nah. See, this man, he came to last night. He come and look for me. Eh? Esther, Papa. But I'm telling you now, Munchi, what are you doing now?
I'm okay.
What is that you're eating, Munchi? What is this you're eating? Eh? What are you doing? What are you doing, Rochelle?
Alright.
Okay. Sit down. I need to get some diapers for Esther. And that family thing. She's kind of taking it, eh?
Should I take it?
Yes, nah. She's kind of taking it,
I
eh?
tell you.
But
You have to give her. Oh, after you give her.
I give her like only one time per day. Isn't that good enough?
No, much
Since this is what she was eating, it tastes really fine. Now, is it like tastes like potatoes?
Baked potato.
Tastes really good now. Back in Africa, see that thing, fufu. I love it. That's my favorite. I love it. The pepper soup. You people don't prepare that, eh?
No, I am so.
Oh.
I'm the African more going to see it.
Okay. But where is Munchies? Where is Munch? Munchies gone. Okay. But anyway, I'm going to take my leave because I'm going to get my drugs. I don't want this man to impregnate me again, eh?
Get allow him to come now.
He always come now. He always come and look for me tonight, eh?
And then I get a man and buy drugs.
What
Yeah,
shall
look
we
good
see?
again.
He's alright, eh? Later I'm going to go to the church. My church sister.
So leave Esther with
I
it.
get some
The
food
landlord.
Esther is sleeping. Esther is sleeping now. She won't wait for now. She won't wait, eh?
What if she wake up? Is she alone up there?
No, now. My neighbor is there.
Oh.
And I told her to watch her. I would have left her by herself now. Come on now, Rochelle.
Yes, sir.
Rochelle, I'm going to go. Munchies! I'm taking my leave. I'm going to get my drugs. I'm going to the pharmacy, eh?
Wait,
Enter the drugstore. Don't do it, eh? I'm leaving now.
So girl, you know see how your friend put me on my food, how can I sell that?
that me I said too. I'm going to start to you.
I saw Africa, and so they eat Africa. And dip
I'm
and
going to that style, out of the style. I'm going to
I don't
that.
like that girl, I don't like
Don't
that.
talk to her, because I actually not understand. You just greedy, so just putting on other people's
I
food.
don't like that. And you not even ask, you just dip me and not people's food.
I go talk to her about it because I don't like him. I never feel pleased with it. I tell her if I don't do it again. I can never say tell her so no.
No man, I don't want to shame her or throw your friend. Remember your friend?
My
So,
friend.
I don't want to just tell her if you don't put her on my food, but that's not right. Not even like her too. She just love come up people here. Come.
I don't know.
Morning, and night. Always right.
Look at this one. Eh?
Always.
What is your problem?
This one who? Who are you
What
talking
is
to?
your problem? Why are you always picking on me? Eh?
Did I pick
From
on
the
you?
day I enter this compound,
Did
from the day
I
I set my eyes on you.
Did I pick on you?
Hey,
Did I
look
do
at
something
this
to you?
one.
You're more doing something to me because you have a baby and you have the baby on your back. I'm gonna call immigration on you. I'm going to call immigration on you.
Hey!
Taking care of your child.
Look at this idiot. You're talking about my child, eh?
You don't take care of your
You're
child.
talking about my
Don't.
child, my
You have the baby on your back, tied up on your back like an animal.
Shut your
I
stupid
will
mouth
call immigration
right
on
there.
you.
Shut your
Don't put
stupid
your
mouth.
hand in my face.
Call the immigration on
Don't put
yourself
my-
because you're an immigrant yourself. You think I don't know your
Who's
secret?
the immigrant?
Eh? You think I don't know your secret? You think I don't know that you're a deportee? You're from Jamaica, eh? You work in a sushi.
You don't know anything
Every
about me.
minute your
If you
accent
keep
is
talking-
changed.
If you keep
Every
talking and
minute
running your
your
mouth,
accent
you're not
is
gonna
changed.
like it.
Look
That's
at
what I'm
this
gonna tell you
idiot.
tonight. You're not gonna like
Roshali!
it if you just move from my face.
Roshali! Roshali! Pregnant woman! Roshali! Come and hold my phone. Come and hold my phone for me. Come and hold my phone. Let me beat this woman. Come and hold my phone for me. Eh? This idiot. This idiot. Come and hold my phone. Eh? You ain't coming.
I don't understand why you would have want me if you come down there. You see me with my belly. I mean, if you come down the condo. I explain what me if you come down the condo.
Right? You think because I'm from America, you think you can beat me? As a matter of fact, I want back my strainer.
Shut your mouth, idiot. Eh? Eh?
I need you
what
to
you
bring it
talking
back.
about?
I need
Eh?
you to
Do
bring
you
it
know where
back.
I'm from?
I don't care
Do
where
you
you're
know where
from.
I'm from?
I don't care where
you
you're
don't
from.
know about my culture. Eh? I will beat you.
Me too. Me too.
Hey! 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 Hey, Paul! Hey! Hey! Listen! Listen! Hey! 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 I will do. Hey! This idiot! Eh? I will kill her. You don't know where I'm from. Eh? Yeah, I will kill you. Eh? You will see. You will see, idiots. You cannot stay here. Eh? These promises can't contain all of us now. Eh? I will kill you. I will kill you. You will see. Wait there.